Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Spicy Chakri mix. Crunchy, spicy Indian style snack mix. Those are Indian. Please tell me how to pronounce this word below in the comments. Nutrition facts. Ingredients. Contains milk and peanut. And there's a label that you guys can read because I'm not going to be reading it. So the price is $2.99. Ooh. Kind of easy to open. So let me get the little plate. I'm gonna just dump the snack. Ooh, they're very cute. You guys wanna see it? Not that, that's not all. Here we come. Let's pour it all out. If it fits in the plate, it can. Okay, let's squash it down a bit. Pour more on top, squash it down a bit. Pour it down, squash it down. Oh, there you go, that's it. And there you go. Ooh, I can't wait to taste it. I'm very curious. I'm gonna taste this weird shape. I'm gonna find the same one for my father and let's see if we can eat it together. 1, 2, I like it. Oh, a teensy bit spicy, but very delicious. My father and I like it because we're used to eating this spicy stuff. Kind of tastes like curry. Let's try this round guy. Oh, at least 5 of them. I'll give him 5. And we're gonna kind of rank it and see which one's more spicy than others. Well, at least a bit more spicy. Not all spicy, this one. Not very delicious either. Let's try this. I'm gonna try this red hot one. Let's see if I can find one. Oh, there it is. It looks like, yeah. Oh boy, a bit more spicy than this one. Let's try this stick. At least 5 of them, that one too. Okay. 3, and I'll get 3 myself. This one's not as spicy at all. Let's try the peanut. Let's see if I can find a peanut myself. I found one. This is just plain peanut. I like it. This will be a good snack for kids because they're so small. I personally like this one best. Time for the ranking spicy. So my father first, like we normally do. Let me just put this back. So my father's ranking is this one, the little red hottie thingy, and then this little mini round guy, the stick. My ranking is a bit similar. I start off with the same one, stick, to the round thingy, and then I turn it over to the less no, where's my peanut? Since I can't find a peanut right now, I'm just gonna use this peanut little skin, has a, you know what I mean, peanut, like that. So that's mine, that's my father's. So, why? Doesn't matter. I like it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and enjoy many other videos I already uploaded. Bye! Here, Daddy, eat this all.